tutorial is on how to look at project statistics and complete task analysis. So once you've logged into the system, look at your left bar and click on Project. Go to Reporting and select Tasks Analysis in the dropdown. Once you're on this page, you will see a bar graph where the y-axis right here is the number of tasks completed, and the x-axis is the different projects that we have. Up here, you can see the various members of our team, and they're represented by different colors. You can use this or hover over the bar to see the various individuals who have completed tasks. This is also represented on here on a line graph and a pie chart. There are also other ways to organize this. Right now we're on number of tasks, but you can click on effective hours and you can organize the data based on that. Or for example, progress, and then you can see the progress that each person has completed. And once you've looked at this, you can make decisions on where to allocate more time, more resources, or know if you have to advise people to work more efficiently and just work in order to make our team more organized and more efficient.